If you tried every meal plan, every reset, every new year, new me approach, let me tell you something. This is the meal plan for you, because you're not going to feel tired anymore. You're not going to feel sluggish anymore. You're not going to feel bloated anymore. You're going to actually feel like the new you that you deserve. Hey everybody, welcome to my video. If you don't know who I am, my name is Sanaya and I am the holistic nutritionist that you have been waiting for all along. I am the founder of Self Love Foundation, an academy for whole food healing and natural food teaching. Today, I am going to be talking about the only meal plan you're going to need for 2026. I am here to help high achievers master their gut health in 2026 without starvation. Using the garden method. What's the garden method? The garden method is simply eating from earth. If you want to know more about what I do, just go ahead and click on my channel and you will see all the videos about everything natural food teaching, holistic healing, and what it can do for you mentally, spiritually, emotionally, physically, and financially. All right, so no, this is not another trendy diet. You're not restricting. We're not doing nothing that's gonna make you feel like that you're starving yourself and that you can't eat, or that you just feel like you're overeating or things like that. We're actually going to nourish our cells. That is the key goal with self-love. This is a gut-led, garden-based blueprint. This blueprint is designed to restore your energy from the inside out, meaning you're going to have energy. You're going to not feel tired. You're going to not feel bloated, and you're not going to have that mental fog that you always have. Why do you want that in the beginning of the year anyway? Because you cannot focus on your goals. That is the main reason. Everybody sits there and say, oh, I just can't get in the rhythm. I can't get in the rhythm, because you are not in the rhythm. So why is this the meal plan that you need for 2026? Most meal plans ignore the gut. They focus on calories, they focus on macros, they focus on aesthetic goals for the body. When your gut is off, your energy is unstable, your hormones are so confused, and your cravings are louder than your intuition. Like, how is that going to work? How is that going to work if you really want to achieve goals for 2026? Or just that new year, new me approach? This meal plan is a gut health and vitality meal plan based on 3 core principles. The 3 principles are, of course, water-rich and fiber food, gentle and soy-free plant-based nourishment, and consistency over control. We don't eat in portions over here. We eat in abundance. Abundance of fruit, vegetables, nuts, berries, seeds, hydration, minerals, herbs that the gut recognizes and knows how to utilize them for absorption, energy, and sustainability. All right, so let's paint the picture for you just so you can know what exactly I'm talking about. In the rising, you're going to have a daily hydration base. This is something you're going to put on your gut as soon as you get up, just so you can break your fast and in the way that it needs to be. After that daily hydration base, you're going to have your fruits, something that is going to eliminate all of the food that is inside of your gut or inside of your colon at the moment, just so you can absorb what you need to. Then for that midday meal, it's going to be very fiber rich and grounding. Something like salads, wraps, a quinoa bowl, a soup, something where your microbiome is being fed consistently. And for the evening, for dinner time, or something where you just want to have something on your stomach, it's going to be calm. It's going to be supportive of your gut, where it's something filled with non-starchy vegetables, nothing too heavy, nothing inflammatory, and just nourishment for rest and repair. Always remember this: simplicity is power. Your gut deserves nourishment. Once again, don't think about this like a challenge. Don't think about this like a detox. This is a blueprint. All right, so you can start a new lifestyle with this blueprint. This new blueprint will be available paperback form and digital form only. So if you want a paperback, make sure you click the one that says paperback. And if you want the digital version where you could download it instantly, make sure you click download instantly. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to keep it light, keep it cute, and full of fruit, because we're doing this all 2026 and beyond. All right, see y'all in the next video. Bye.